So there are a couple of chart patterns and a couple of candlestick patterns which I am telling you which have a strong success rate. I mean, had this been a session on some other topic, for example, technical analysis, then I would have discussed with you many candlestick patterns. But now that I am talking about broadly, about the forex and commodity, I would be focusing primarily on a couple of candlestick patterns. Okay. First, the first pattern that almost always works is a rectangle pattern. Like, for example, let us have a look at this pattern here. Let me go here, pick up the rectangle. So you see, broadly, the market was stuck in a rectangle pattern here. The market went close to high, came down, up, down. This was also a similar base. This was also a similar base. This was also a similar top. So you would be able to see approximately 3 tops and 3 bottoms, or 3 plus 2, or 3 plus 2, something around that. So the market is broadly stuck in a range. Whenever you see any commodity in a broader time frame stuck in a range, there are 2 ways of trading it. One of the ways is whenever the market comes down at the support around this level, let me mark a line here. For example, you have seen one base, you have seen second base, you have seen third base, and from third base you have understood that the market is broadly stuck in a range. This is June 23. Now this is a daily chart. Let us come to hourly chart. In June 23, wait. Give me a sec. In June 23, let me come back to the Heikanashi here. On an hourly chart, you see the market is stuck in a range. Now, whenever the market around this base, whenever the market on a lower time frame, this is a rectangle pattern, whenever the market starts making a higher high and a higher low around the base on an hourly time frame, this is where you need to buy it. This is where you need to buy it. No need to take this sell trade. This is where you need to buy it. Your ultimate target is here. So keep on taking a few buy trades, especially even if you want to skip this, you should definitely skip this. Around the bottom, whenever the market forms a higher high and a higher low, this trade is supposed to be taken. Allow me a second, I'll show you many examples that will make things clearer. Let us come to daily chart. At this level, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is sounding like a narrow range, but it is actually not a narrow range. So around this base, and let us apply the normal candle here. Yeah, have a look here. So we have 1, 2 and 3rd. We have 1, 2 and 3rd. So you have got a strong range here. Now around this level, which is November 2020, around this level on an hourly chart. So in the channel, all the supports are not good to buy. On all the supports, whenever you see a higher high, higher low on a Heikin Ashi chart is a good signal to buy.